So this is kind of a cool thing that we wanted to do. Next to our house in North Miami is the Alaska Coffee Roasting Company, and has delicious pizza, coffee, sandwiches. And there's only 2 locations. We've been going for, I don't know, 12 years since it opened. And the 2 locations are, you guessed it, North Miami and here in Fairbanks. So as part of our trip, we're like, we want to go to both and say we've been to both. And the funny thing is, the Fairbanks location, not so coincidentally, looks just like our location back in Miami. There's the oven. There's the video screen. There's even all the pastries, which look delicious. This is the Alaska Coffee Company, the original same art from her brother, the owner's racing collection around the world. So we're here at both locations. And of course, the coffee bags. So yes, we are here. Kind of crazy. And to commemorate the moment, I'm wearing my Alaska Coffee shirt from Miami, right there. And we're gonna get one from Fairbanks.
Up there, man.
Okay.
Sled Queen and her apprentice, Sled King. Together they embark on a great journey across the ice.